All of these colors stand out so nicely against that the black background. The colors are great. What's going on, lug nuts? Welcome back to Lug Nut TV with Jessie G, a channel for lug nuts all about the brand LUG. This is Christmas. It's got nutcrackers. Lug nut crackers. So in this box, I can't remember everything I ordered because I was cart jumbling and I was taking a ton of stuff out and putting stuff back in, and I can't remember what I ended up going with. So what I thought would be fun is to get a couple of new things, a couple of things that we've seen before, but have them all be in new prints, and all of those things each be a different new print. Nutcracker chopped his head off. See, this box is adorable, first of all, because it says, if lost, please return to the North Pole. Don't you dare. Spread holiday cheer. What are you waiting for? Let's get cracking. Wow. That's incredible. Every year, LUG donates holiday stockings filled with goodies and gift cards to local children in need. How do you plan to spread joy this holiday season? Email us at spreadjoy@luglife.com and you could win a holiday prize. Definitely look into that. Ready? Yes. Oh my God, yes. It's the catalog. And stickers! Not just stickers, but what are those things called? Gift stickers, present stickers. I will remember what they're called after this video is done recording. Oh, look at this later. I'm gonna put this by my bed. Look at the tissue paper, it's got little trees. Tree paper. Wow, all paper is tree paper. Yeah. Can you see? Let's move that. Tree paper. Envelope first. We've got Buffalo Red Check pen. Buffalo, check that out. Information about LUG. First things first. We've got Coupe. A Coupe in Lily Black. Wow. This is the first time I'm seeing Lily Black in person. Hang on. I've also got the Lily Gray Coupe. I've got them here together. Oh my gosh. On my Coupes, the lilies are in the same exact place. So it's definitely got some blues, gray, white, and if the name didn't already suggest it, it's got black in it as well. That is Lily Black. Next thing, now I remember, is Camo Rose. Camo Rose Huggie. Anytime you want to go out with just your water bottle, your phone, maybe your keys, a couple of cards, that's what this is for. So you would choose this if the main thing that you want to carry is a water bottle. If on the camera you're seeing gray and pink in this print, that's because the print has gray and pink. Oh, we've got leopard brown here in the Kickflip 3. I am so excited about this new leopard color. And the hearts on the inside. So if anyone's wondering if you can still carry a phone in the Kickflip 3, yes, you can put it back here kind of where the card slots are. Most phones are going to fit right in there. And then you can wear this wallet as a crossbody. And it's got at least two of LUG's solid colors. Definitely got chocolate and it's got copper. Had to get something in Wildflower Black. And I thought it looked really nice in the new Echo. So this is the Echo SE, and SE stands for Southeast normally, but in LUG's world, it stands for Special Edition. This is the Special Edition Echo Backpack Packable. And it's got this little carabiner hook so that you can carabine it. So you open it up, and if you've never seen this before, this is going to highly impress you, and I'm glad I get to be able to do that. But the bag turns into a full backpack. Then you zip up what was the original pouch right here. And it kind of becomes this little bottom pocket. Now what I was gonna try to do is maybe cut a piece of cardboard to fit in here and see if I could make like a hard bottom for the bag. I will look into that. So it's got a front pocket, which is a pocket on the front of the bag. Super helpful. And the straps are padded with like this mesh underneath so that it helps with airflow. Trolley strap so you can put it over the handle of one of your roller bags. In the other Packable Echo, it only had one side cargo pocket. This one has two. This one seems like it's gonna be easier to fold back up because it's a flat pocket, just like the Puddle Jumper Packables. And those are really easy to fold back up. Main compartment, wow. All of these colors stand out so nicely against that the black background. The colors are great. There's the Echo SE Packable, or is it Echo Packable SE? I don't know, I threw the thing. Echo Southeast Packable. So let's continue to the next item, which is also our final item. This is the sleeper. Ooh, look at those colors. This is Tropical Multi. It's their newest tropical print. I like how these aren't solid colors anymore. They actually took orange and pink and green and they kind of blended them together in this version of the tropical print, which wasn't done in the others. So it zips from the bottom, and on the inside you've got styrofoam. And if you don't need the styrofoam, you take it out. And on the inside, you've got these little pockets here for makeup brushes. And look at the lining, it's little trees. So this is a big pocket over here. And these look like they're medium. And over here, we've got thinner ones. So large, medium, medium, small, small. That's just what I'm going with. Now, this is the first time I'm doing this, and I'm probably gonna be really spastic about it. Let's move the box. Grab the little button. I'm nervous. Pull the thing. Look, I did it. Okay, so listen, if I can do it, you can do it. Oh my God. So imagine that was a makeup brush, which it isn't. That's why I said imagine. You put your little brushes in here, and then they're standing up and you can just grab them while you're doing your makeup. This print is so colorful. And I like this because this was one of the new prints that I decided not to get in this box. And I did that on purpose because I have a video planned for this print soon. I'm saving you forever, so go down there. Gift labels. Gift labels. Wow. Thanks for hanging in there, guys. These are gift labels from LUG. Thanks so much for watching, everybody. If you want to see more videos like this, make sure you hit that subscribe button. And don't forget to share this video with anyone who you think might enjoy it. And like always, I'll see you guys next time.